Hello friends, welcome to Farhana Azad session. Friends, nowadays lots of detailed answers are available for single question. Just a reading answer or mug up with the answer results nothing. So we have to understand what's the topic about and what it tells. So it will be help to gain knowledge on the topic.
In our channel, all discussion is about you to understand the topic and overview in simple manner so that you will have clear idea about the topic. So please don't skip our video. This video are truly made for you. Friends, today discussion we are going to see about hand function. The function of hand is to be grip grasp and form precise movement. In university paper, it is asked as hand function as one question and grip and grasp as another question. But both the questions comes under hand function. Here, prehension refers to activities of hand. Functional position of hand. Wrist is in 20 to 30 degree of extension and slight ulnar deviation. Fingers in 45 degree of MCP, 15 degree of PIP and DIP flexion. Thumb is in 45 degree of abduction.
Prehension. Grasping or taking hold upon object in the hand. Prehension activities involve grasping or taking hold upon object between any two surfaces of the hand. This two surface of the hand means the holding in object between your finger and the palm. The thumb may participate in certain prehension activities and may not participate in other activities. Prehension is divided into two: power grip, which requires in your entire hand a full hand prehension is required, and precision grip, which involves gripping only through finger and thumb. Power grip involves utilization of full hand prehension. Flexion of all finger and joint occurs. Thumb is used to act on stabilizer to hold object between palm and finger. Used to move object in space. Precision handling. It's a finger to thumb prehension. It can occur between finger or between fingers and thumb. It's a skillful movement. There is no utilization of palm. It's used for manipulating object. Stages of power grip. It is divided into dynamic and static phase. Dynamic phase. It is the phases of movement. First, opening of the hand. Second, positioning of finger. Third, bringing finger to the object. Static phase includes maintaining of the hold. Different types of the power grip are cylindrical grip, spherical grip, hook grip, and lateral prehension. First one is cylindrical grip. Cylindrical grip involves use of all finger flexors. The palm contact the object within the thumb's direct opposition and abduction is with holding a glass. This grip involves a combination of extrinsic flexor activity, lumbricals, and palmar interosseous to help to the fingers counter around a cylinder shape. Cylindrical grip example, holding a glass or turning a doorknob. So, flexor digitorum profundus work predominantly. Interosseous muscles are primary MCP joint flexors, abductors, and adductors. Flexor pollicis longus and thenar muscles are flexion and abduction of the thumb. Hypothenar muscles are flexion, abduction in MCP joint, typically with the wrist is neutral extensor and slightly ulnar deviation. Spherical grip. Spherical grip mostly expressed to cylindrical grip, but greater spread of finger to encompass the object.
Spherical grip example of holding a ball. Major activity of interossei muscles.
Third one is hook grip. Hook grip is specialized from a prehension function primarily of fingers. Hook grip example, carrying a briefcase. Major activities of flexor digitorum profundus and flexor digitorum superficialis. Load more distally flexor digitorum profundus, proximally flexor digitorum superficialis. Thumb moderate to full extension. Last one is lateral prehension. Lateral prehension is contact between two fingers. Lateral prehension example of holding a paper. Metacarpophalangeal joint and interphalangeal joint is extension. Metacarpophalangeal joint simultaneously abduct and adduct. Major muscles are extensor musculature. Next one is precision handling. Precision handling requires much fine motor control and more dependent on intact sensation. In two jaw check, one jaw is thumb, abduct and rotate, and second jaw is by distal tip, the pad or the side of finger. Three variety of precision are pad to pad prehension, tip to tip prehension, pad to side prehension. Pad to pad prehension. involves opposition of pad or pulp of thumb to pad or pulp of finger. Metacarpophalangeal joint and proximal interphalangeal joint of the finger partially flexed and distal interphalangeal joint extend or slightly flexed. Thumb CMC flexion, abduction and rotation. MCP and IP joint partially flexed or extended. Pad to pad prehension example holding a forceps. Tip to tip prehension. Muscle activity almost same to pad prehension. Some difference in tip to tip prehension like interphalangeal joints of the fingers and the thumb have range and force to create full flexion. MCB joint of the opposing finger slightly ulnar deviation. Example of tip to tip prehension holding a pin. Pad to side prehension. Key grip or lateral pinch between thumb and side of index finger, thumb more abducted and less rotated leaves precise from of precision handling. That's all for this session. If you have any comments about this video, leave in comment section. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends.